So here's pretty much everything taken out of the box. So I'm at the step where you're supposed to install the original 380 motor. However, we're gonna go with the Sportune RS540 motor. And for that, you'll need a 32 pitch, 18 tooth pinion, such as this Robinson Racing here. I like the Robinson Racing because it's steel and it doesn't wear as fast as the aluminum ones that are usually provided by Tamiya. So you'll need 18 tooth if you want to go with a 540 size motor. Right, so I'm at this servo part here, which is step 7. So what I'm going to do is, so I use this tool here. It's a servo tester, and also using it to center the servo before I put on the servo saver. So here's just a manual mode here, so you could test, make sure everything works. Neutral position, and then I'm going to put the follow this step here, and this is the Tamiya servo horn. This on. Make sure it's centered. Make sure it's as centered as possible. It's pretty much centered here. And put this thing on, and then this thing on. So here, just another test. Here's a manual, and then center. It's pretty much the best you can do, because if you turn it a little more that way, it's going to be a little offsetting there. So not quite center, but this is as close as you can get.